Welcome back to the channel. We get a snake right here. I'm getting lit right now, and let's see what this little guy does. Brings me back to being a kid. Go. Remember that South Park episode? They had the big snakes. I just seen I had a few left. I'm like, oh, I have to light these off, demo these, man. So to all you big pyros out there, I love anything with a fuse, even with anything without a fuse. If it's firework related, it's still going. Go. One piece. Hell yeah. It was October, man. All right, like and subscribe, and I got bangers and goodies on the way.